Once you are comfortable with doing counting, addition, and subtraction with your children, you may want to start thinking about doing multiplication or timetables with them. Again, children must understand what it means to multiply. So we must always start with real objects and we must explain what we are doing. We explain this by making groups of real items. We first talk to children about grouping before we mention multiply or times. You will need an empty egg box, some counters. Now we've done addition, subtraction, and some counting, and you did very well. Now we are going to do some grouping. I've got 12 beans here, okay? So with these 12 beans, make groups of 3 for me.
Three. Three.
Very good. Now, how many groups of 3 do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So when you have 12 and you make groups of 3, how many groups do you get?
4.
4. Well done, Nako. Now I've got 10 beans. Make groups of 2 for me.
2, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Well done, Nako. So how many groups of 2 do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well done. So 10 makes how many groups of 2?
5.
Well done. That was very good. Now let's continue. All right, Nako, I wanted to show you how we write what we've been doing, okay? So we said 4 groups of 3 equals
12.
And when we said 5 groups of 2 equals
10.
Okay, but there is another way of doing this. So we could say 4, instead of saying group of 3, we can use this and say multiply by 3 is equal to 12. There's a quicker way, okay? The same with this one. We can say 5 groups of 2, but we can also say 5 times 2 is equal to 10, so that we don't have to write this so long. Now, Nako, I want you to read this number sentence for me.
4 times 3 equals 12. 5 times 2 equals 10.
Very good. You've done so well. Once I could see that Nako is comfortable with grouping, I started using cards to help him memorize what he has learned. He practices using these cards on his own, and then once a week I do this with him. You will need multiplication cards for the number you are teaching.
4 times 3 equals 12. 5 times 3 equals 15. 6 times 3 equals 18.
All right, Nako, we've been practicing. Let me test you. 3 times 3?
9.
2 times 3?
6.
5 times 3? I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.